Working with modern React development and got an EMJSX file. This combines ES module syntax with JSX for advanced JavaScript components. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to work with these ES module JSX script files. To quickly determine if the EMJSX file is recoverable, try opening it with a robust, universal file viewer. I'll provide a link to my tried and true software here and later on. A developer would encounter an EMJSX file while working with modern JavaScript frameworks like React. This extension signifies a file containing JSX, JavaScript XML syntax, specifically intended to be treated as an ES module, allowing for import and export statements for modular code organization. The file contains plain text following JavaScript and JSX syntax rules. The EMJSX extension is a convention used by build tools and linters to correctly parse the file as a JavaScript module containing React-style component markup, ensuring proper transpilation and bundling for modern web applications. The EMJSX format has primary linkage to the Microsoft Visual Studio Code application by Microsoft Corporation. Windows allows basic viewing, but true content manipulation requires a specialized application. Windows can open the file safely, but to run it, you need the appropriate scripting platform. To circumvent the initial application error, right-click the EMJSX file and choose Open With. Prioritize Microsoft Visual Studio Code if available. If absent, choose another application. We are looking for a successful file association. When your EMJSX file does not open, it is usually a small issue. If your file remains inaccessible, it's typically due to one of three common pitfalls. Let's review this straightforward list of culprits and verify their status right now. First, opening in VS Code. Install Visual Studio Code with the ES7 React Redux JS snippets extension and JavaScript JSX language support. Open the EMJSX file in VS Code, which provides syntax highlighting for both ES modules and JSX. The editor offers IntelliSense auto-completion error detection and React-specific code suggestions throughout the development workflow. Next, building with Webpack or Vite. Configure your build system with Webpack, Vite, or Parse to process EMJSX files. Configure Babel with React presets for JSX transpilation and proper ES module handling. The build system transforms EMJSX source code into browser-compatible JavaScript-producing bundles ready for deployment in web applications. Finally, setting up Babel. Install Babel with @Babel preset React and @Babel preset NV packages. Create a babel.config.js or .babelrc file specifying these presets. Configure your project to use Babel for transpiling EMJSX files, which converts JSX to React.create element calls while preserving ES module syntax for modern JavaScript bundlers. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous steps suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.